Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to get admission in Ziauddin University Easy Guide. First, understand the complete admission process, which is crucial for a successful application. We will walk you through each vital step, from initial eligibility to the final interview. By following these clear instructions, you can confidently navigate your path to becoming a Ziauddin University student. Let's make your application journey smooth and effective today. Meeting eligibility criteria is your first essential step. Applicants typically need to have completed their intermediate or A-levels with a minimum of 60% aggregate marks. For specific programs, such as medicine or dentistry, additional subject requirements like biology, chemistry, and physics are mandatory. Ensure you meet these foundational academic prerequisites, as they are non-negotiable for securing your spot. Always review the exact requirements for your chosen faculty on the university's official website before applying. The application process at Ziauddin University is straightforward and mostly online. You will need to gather all necessary documents, such as your academic transcripts, national identity card, and recent passport-sized photographs, before you begin. Carefully fill out the online application form on their official website, ensuring all information is accurate and complete. Once submitted, remember to pay the non-refundable application processing fee, which is usually around 3,000 rupees, to finalize your entry. Most programs at Ziauddin University require applicants to pass a mandatory entrance examination. This test typically assesses your aptitude, general knowledge, and specific subject proficiency relevant to your chosen field of study. Candidates who clear the entrance test will then be invited for a personal interview, which helps evaluate your communication skills and motivation. Prepare effectively by reviewing past papers and practicing common interview questions. This will significantly boost your confidence on the big day.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.